Luckily, we haven't seen a lot of spread within the school, I think because we have been taking so many measures to limit the exposure. Really limiting the exposure to people that aren't in your immediate household that you haven't been around is very important. If we get notification of a positive case, we immediately contact that person or the parent so that we can find out who the close contacts were, who they were around for greater than 15 minutes over the accumulation of a day, and then we get them off the campus as soon as possible to kind of limit the exposure rate on campus so that they can go and start their quarantine. They have to quarantine for 14 days from the last date of exposure. The school nurses have worked so diligently all throughout the day as well as after hours and weekends to contact trace, contacting parents and staff so that those kids don't come back to school on Monday or the staff don't come back to school on Monday to limit that exposure. The teachers have done a great job of keeping their students masked while they're in classes, and if they notice a student or another staff member that has let their mask fall down, it's constant. Everybody is being a team player with this and helping to remind those to keep your masks up so that we can limit exposure.
We're here to provide a safe environment for our students, and I believe we've always done that. We wipe down all the student desks. We are wiping doorknobs, light fixtures, any and everything that the kids can touch. We have a C3 machine, and that is basically like a pressure washer, but it has a chemical that we spray, and we go in and we detail clean the whole entire bathroom. When all this broke out, we were already prepared. We weren't scared. We had any and everything that we could possibly need as far as chemicals, and we've done hand washing presentations for the kids. Our campuses are extremely clean, cleaner than they've ever been, and I appreciate my staff for that because I have a wonderful crew. But they all work hard, they all do what they're supposed to do, and our facilities are clean.